channel. So it's been such a long time since I've talked to you guys and yet alone uploaded a video, so I figured I would do something fun to kick off 2018. So today I'm doing a Fukubukuro haul with you guys. It's basically a Japanese tradition, kind of comparable to Black Friday in the US, except this is done on New Year's Day instead, and they do have a lot of great deals on things. So there is a little bit of a twist to the Japanese Black Friday sale. It's basically a mystery bag, and what you do is pay for a bag that you have no idea what the contents are. The price points at each store differs, or maybe a store will offer you like maybe 5 different price points, but anyways, like maybe $10. So it's the cheapest I've seen. $20, $50, I've seen as high as $350. The entire point of it is like the thrill of the hunt and what you actually get. Basically, you just choose your own bag. So this is an example of one of the ones I got, and this one was a $20 equivalent of a bag. So as you can see, it is sealed off at the top so nobody peeks through. There are some stores that show you what is in the bag beforehand. I want to say 20% of the things that you can get you can see, and they still have amazing deals on everything else, just like a regular Black Friday. But anyways, I'm gonna go ahead and jump right in and start showing you guys the amazing things we hopefully got. I'm gonna go ahead and just start off with a couple of things that were actually great deals. So this first one right here is a bell dress. It was just chilling on a hanger, so we knew exactly what we were purchasing. This one was on sale for an equivalent of about $10 US. That is a great deal for one of these dresses, and this one was from Claire's. Next are these socks for my son. I want to say this one was the equivalent of $10 as well. So moving on to the mystery bag. So I'm gonna go ahead and start off with a bag that we already knew the contents of, and this is the only bag that is like that I have in this haul. So this first thing up looks like a notebook with stickers, and then I can see a little bit of coloring sheets in the back. Next in this bag is a little puzzle, but it almost looks like one of those advent calendars. I'm not quite sure. So this one is a little pencil case. We're definitely going to be getting a use out of this. This next item is just a little case. I want to say it's like a crayon box, so that's actually perfect. This one's pretty sturdy and it's cute. I've never seen like a crayon box like this before. And then 2 pencils and an eraser. So as far as being worth it, yes, definitely. Next is the Claire's bag. This one was at a $10 price point. I'm really excited about this one. First thing up is a whole bunch of hair items. So this is the first hair tie. This little hair clip. A little gold necklace with a blue gem. A bangle. Really cute. Headband. Hair scrunchie. Oh my gosh, hair scrunchies. We can always use these. This hat right here. Another hair clip. So a ton of cute hair items that my daughter will definitely be using. So this bag was definitely worth it. The next bag we've got is this pink one, and another bag. First item. Oh, Moana. You cannot go wrong with Moana. So it comes with 2 folders. This is the next little guy that's in here. Oh my gosh, my son is gonna go crazy over this, guys. It's a little pencil case. So cute. Look at the tail, and it's got a little pouch in the front for more storage, and like the teeth for the zipper is really large, which is great for toddlers. And look at that little bow tie. Next is a little planner that I can't read anything. It comes with a little pencil case attached. Baby umbrella, perfect for my son. He does not have an umbrella. Next is a little to-do list, and this one is Rapunzel. So next is this little mechanical pencil. Can never have enough mechanical pencils. Apparently it writes in different angles. Next is, oh my gosh, a little alien notebook. My son is like obsessed with Toy Story right now, so this is perfect for him. Next is a little Cars eraser, perfect for my son. Next is another mechanical pencil, and this one is Toy Story. Next up is this keychain. We love popcorn in this family, so this is perfect for us. So here are the next 2 things. We've got a pencil, and then a little marker, a 2-sided marker, or maybe a highlighter. So the last thing in this bag is this little clip. So I can honestly say that I'm very happy about that bag. I'm definitely going back to that store next year and grabbing me another one of those. So here is the next bag, guys. This one is a store that has a whole bunch of cute things. It's got Sanrio characters, Disney characters, and a whole bunch of other Japanese characters as well. So this one's gonna be really exciting. First thing up is this little towel. Loving this. Next thing up is a notebook with penguins. Next thing up is a pen case. I'll end up giving this one to my son and maybe adding a decal of his name or something like that to it. Ooh, looks like another pen case. They're really into their pens over here, guys. This one says Rocco on it, and it's a little mini one. Next is a set of stickers of bow ties and bows, a mechanical pencil. So this next one up is a little portable mirrors. It's got unicorns on it and some astronomy images. It's got the mechanism on it so that it can stand up, so you don't have to hold it while you're checking your face out. And next up is another mechanical pencil. This one is really, really pretty. Ooh, this next one is really adorable. It's a whole bunch of little memo stickers with a larger sticky note of Mount Fuji. I don't have anything like this. And then here is a pencil, and then here is like a nail polish bottle, except it's those little scented balls in there. But that is it for this bag. So I want to say this bag is probably valued around maybe $50, maybe $60, so well worth what I ended up paying for it. I like everything that was in it, but not as much as I liked the last bag. But I am on to the very, very last bag, guys, and this one was from the same store that this other bag came from, the previous bag. First item, huge backpack. So this is a Playboy backpack, obviously, and the funny thing is I used to be obsessed with bunnies, and Playboy was like the only iconic bunny out there that you could get. Like, I love rabbits, like real fuzzy, real live rabbits. So I had like a lot of Playboy things growing up, but this is very interesting. I guess I have a new backpack now. Next is, oh, a lot of stuff. It's gonna be fun. A whole bunch of stationery like items, which is something that I'm obsessed with. If you guys didn't know, Japanese write from left to right, so that's why this notebook may look backwards. Anyways, adorable. I'll probably let my daughter draw all over it because she loves little things like this. So this one is a little character pop-up, and as you can see, it is princesses, so this is going to be perfect for my daughter. Next is dun dun dun, another pencil case, large zipper teeth. Love. Ooh, another Disney item, little notebook. Oh my god, it is a little clip pouch with actual clips that come with it, and it's a kitty. More clips, and oh my gosh, look, this one, guys, this one is sushi. So this one is a pin clip. It shows that you can use it around a bag or to kind of like hold maybe long string together and kind of bunch it up. Disney again. Not quite sure what this is. It looks like maybe some pencil toppers. This one looks like stamps, so my daughter will love this. So we got a ton of pencils, a mechanical pencil, and a Mickey Mouse pen at the end here. Or actually it's a marker, a double-ended marker. And then, ooh, I've been waiting to get one of these. Lead for the mechanical pencils. I love this little case. I will be keeping this forever and ever. A Snoopy glue stick. Last but not least, a little eraser. Okay, I lied. There was one thing left in there, and it's this Hello Kitty pouch. OMG. So it looks like this. Gold zipper. And it's got this little top right here where you can clip it on your backpack or whatever. And this is actually like a perfect makeup bag, and that bag concludes this haul. I actually like everything that I got in that bag. But anyways, I want to thank you guys so much for joining me on this haul. I'm hoping you guys learned a little bit about the Japanese version of Black Friday in this little video. Hopefully you enjoyed all the things that I got in these bags. I'll definitely be doing some more Fukubukuro shopping next year, and I'm so excited. Again, thank you guys so much. Make sure to give this video a thumbs up if you like it, and make sure to hit that subscribe button if you want to see more videos from me. As always, thank you guys so much for sticking around and for watching this video. I will see you in the next one.
Battery is dying, so I gotta make this quick. Can't deal with Japanese stationery. Everything's cute.